始点阵按摩，请注意。
Like breaking my bone. I saw my shoulder. I'm a bit afraid that it will kill me. Oh. 先换血吗？
要。拿东西可以放窗台上。你听到是哪一块不舒服啊？
肩。
就肩这两边是吧？
斜方肌。
斜方肌还是这一块是吧？
对。
现在我在你身体上做一下轨迹啊，把你身上不舒服的点给它标记出来。
要什么标记？
笔，眉笔。你这平常这边更不舒服是吧？
可以来保障了吗？您知道吗？肩颈淤堵的初始位姿移动完成，拍照成功。
下来了啊。
开始点阵按摩，请注意，检测到您是第一次按摩，请您放轻松，不要紧张。
可以了。
So bad. It's like a hammer. It's hitting. Boom, 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 boom. It's like breaking my bone. It's so real. It's like, I'm a bit afraid that it will kill me. I saw my shoulder.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm going to sleep, falling asleep, very soft, and I'm not scared, so it's very relaxing, much better. 我真的被打得睡着了。
今天做完点阵波，可能明天会有一些轻微干燥，但是后2天会特别舒服。筋膜在被点阵波刺激后，就有点儿像突然跑了个长跑。运动后的酸胀、疼痛是一个道理。
The massage machine is pointing all the, this blue point. So the machine will follow all the point. It's how to say, it's hard, very hard. At the very beginning, it was very hard. I was a little bit scared. I thought I almost going to be killed, but eventually I survived. And in the last 10 minutes, I almost fell asleep. So it's relaxing, quite relaxing, and it's interesting to try, but I would never do that every week or every month.